In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit admin user permissions in Pipedrive. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to safely update what your admins can and can't do inside your account. First, make sure you're logged in to your Pipedrive account with an admin profile because only admins can change permission settings. Once you're in, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might show your initials or a small avatar. Click on that profile icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose the option labeled Manage Users. This is the main area where you control who has access to your Pipedrive account and what level of access they have. When the Manage Users section opens, you'll see several tabs across the top. Look for the tab called Permission Sets and click on it. Permission sets are collections of rules that define what users can view, edit, and manage inside Pipedrive. Instead of configuring each person one by one, you assign them to these sets, which keeps everything consistent and easier to maintain. Inside the Permission Sets tab, you'll notice different types of sets, including ones for admin roles. Here, you'll want to focus on the admin permission sets, typically labeled as Global Admin and Deals Admin. The Global Admin set usually controls access to account-wide settings such as billing, integrations, and overall configuration. The Deals Admin set is more focused on managing deals, pipelines, and day-to-day sales data. Choose the one that matches the type of admin access you want to adjust by clicking on that permission set. Next, look for the Edit option for that selected admin set and click it. This will open a detailed list of individual permissions. You'll see various toggles that you can switch on or off, depending on what you want your admins to be able to do. Take your time here and review each permission carefully. For example, you might want some admins to manage pipelines but not change billing details, or allow them to delete deals but not export all data. Adjust each toggle according to your organization's needs and internal policies. Once you're satisfied with the changes, scroll to the bottom or top of the page, depending on where the button is displayed, and click Save. This step is essential. If you navigate away without saving, your changes will be lost, and the admin permissions will stay as they were. After saving, your updated admin permission set takes effect immediately for everyone assigned to that set.